How to make royal icing for cake decorating. Watch the video to the end. In case you want to make cake and maybe you want to make 1 kg flour and you don't know the measurements, I have the video on my channel, the measurements, in case you want to make cake, the butter, the eggs you need, everything you need. I have the video on my channel, the measurement is there, you can go and watch it. You can also watch other videos on my channel, like how to make cake. I have the video on my channel, and how many cups are in 1 kilo flour. I have the video on my channel, you can go and check it out. You turn it upside down like so, it means it's ready. This is coconut flavor. This is half teaspoon. This is banana flavor. 1 teaspoon. Push. This is lemon. One tablespoon. The lemon will make it whiter, and it's also for preservative. After mixing it, if you want to maybe keep the remaining one, or maybe you are not using it that very moment, you will cover it like so. Okay, this is what I used. This is what I used. Just cover it so that it will not be strong. If you have any question, comment section is open. You can comment there and ask me any question. And my next video will be how to decorate the cake. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share. I would like to see you on my next video. Bye bye.